Hey everyone, I just want to show you how to access Google Meet by following the link that I'll be sending on ClassDojo. So first things first, you'll sign in to your ClassDojo account as seen on the screen. Take a minute to load there. And once you're logged in, you're going to go under the Messages tab, which is where the link will be. You'll fall under that, click on that there. And it'll redirect you to the portal where the meeting will be held. So it'll show you your screen where you're starting. When you're ready to join, you can click join now, and that will bring you to the meeting. And you'll get to see on the right hand side here, you'll get to see who all is in the meeting. One thing that I will ask you to do when you do log into this is to put your microphone on mute, just because a lot of people will be on it, and in order to hear one speaker at a time, it'll be best for just the person that's speaking to have the microphone on. So as we get started, I'll be, depending on if it's a show and tell or if it's a scavenger hunt, I'll give instructions for how to mute the microphone, or like when to mute it and when to keep it on. You'll see in the sidebar everyone that's in the chat, and you'll see your child will get to see other classmates and everything. You'll see on the side over here is the chat bar. So if there's any questions that you might have, or if you're wanting to say hello, you can just type that right there. You can also signal when your child has a question. You can help them by just typing a question mark on the side. That'll let me know that somebody has a question, or that you can just type it in there. So that's one way that you can get those questions asked. And if you want the bar over here to disappear, you can just click on to the screen in the middle there. A couple other features that you can see are that there's a captions feature that you can turn on if you want to have those on. You can read what's going on the screen. It's pretty up to date with like how the speech that's showing on there. I wouldn't worry about the present now feature. That's won't be needed. You can change the layout by clicking on those dots on the side there, and then you can change it to a layout that has the tiles more to the middle, to the side, or just have one speaker in the middle at once. You can also do full screen if that's what you prefer. For the most part, you won't need to worry about these features here on our meetings. Just the most important thing is to know how to turn the microphone on or off. If you need to turn the camera off for some reason, you can turn it off by clicking on that there, and your camera will be off and you won't have to worry about what's on the screen or anything. And the other feature that you'll need to know is at the end of the Google Meet, you'll need to sign out by clicking on the leave call button at the bottom there. I will be the last person that signs out and everything, just to make sure that it gets closed properly. And after each meeting, the link will be disabled or deleted. And then whenever we have a new Google Meet, I'll send a new Meet for a new link on ClassDojo, any of those reminder applications. So I hope that's helpful, and I'm looking forward to using this tool with you all as we work through e-learning together. Thank you, and bye.